Hi, humans on the internet. To skip this intro, go to this timestamp wherever it is. I wrote a script because I need a script. I am Human Mackie D, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a hanging scroll like this. In Japanese, they call it Kakejiku. Use whatever you have lying around. Because I'm a calligrapher, I have large sheets of rice paper, so I used that. But you can honestly use printing paper, tape it together with scotch tape, and then color or decorate the scotch tape so that it doesn't look like it's just being held together with tape. It took me a while to make this video. Many of the how-to videos on social media now look so perfect. Perfect lighting, perfect white balance, and color coordination, no mistakes. And then there's videos like those of 5-minute crafts that aren't even physically possible to replicate and can be very dangerous because they're being deceptive. And then they go ahead and post the same videos and hide them in different compilations, and YouTube rewards them for it. But back to the topic. All that perfect content made me feel like if my stuff wasn't perfect, then it shouldn't be made at all. Then I start being mean to myself in my head and stop myself from even starting on creating content, because from the get-go I'm saying, this is probably going to look terrible, I'm probably going to mess up, this is so hard, why is this so hard, why can't I just start, what's wrong with me, spiraling. Then I started doing self-growth work, acknowledging and challenging my trauma-induced thoughts, and said, enough. I want to create, and I don't care if someone thinks it looks terrible, ugly, or whatever. Aesthetics is probably a deception used to gatekeep content creation. Perfection is not real. And so this video is not for perfectionists. This is for people who simply want to create. The music I chose for the creating, for the part I used to put together the scroll, is called Koto by Mars Boy of Hong Kong. He's a music producer of EDM, hip-hop, and lo-fi music. Check his stuff out, all links are below. If you'd like to see how a professional creates scrolls, check out the vid linked below from Nico Kitsaki's channel, in which Yo documents Hideyuki Kamon, a 4th-generation scroll maker of Koseidai and Takarazuka in the Hyōgo prefecture of Nippon. I watched this video after making my scroll, and I learned quite a bit just from the 14-minute documentary. Definitely check it out if you feel like learning more. And with that, let's get on to the how-to video.